Hey guys, my name is Oshun the Great and welcome to my beautiful channel. Today I want to do a little fun reading that I never really do. It's about end of the year prediction reading, so I thought this would be cool to look into it for all of us today. So let's see what's in store. Follow me on Instagram, Oshun_the_great, or ask me questions, oshunthegreat24@gmail.com. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell to get updates straight to your phone without delay. Alright, so predictions. A lot of you guys will be offered new forms of income. I am predicting a huge influx of wealth. So some of you guys, you may be leaving your mark this year in your chosen profession. So art, musician, tarot readers, in YouTubing. This is your year to shine, and you will do something that basically makes you wealthy or famous. Alright, so some of you guys will be getting a huge wardrobe change. Some of you guys will also be winning maybe a shopping spree of some kind. This could also indicate a makeover of every kind in your wardrobe, mentally, physically, spiritually. So this is kind of like a leveling up or upgrade at the ending of a cycle, ending of poverty even. Alright, so let's see the next card. Alright, some of you guys will be chosen to speak or to get out of your comfort zone. So you may be getting asked out to conferences to express yourself or express your story. So a lot of huge changes are happening for a lot of you guys towards the end of this year or even now, where you're going to be discovered. So again, in your chosen field, you're going to be discovered or scouted out. People are going to want to know your story more, and it's going to take a little minute for you to get comfortable with that. But by all means, take the opportunity, take the chance. There's a reason why you're being chosen. Keep going. So a lot of you guys, again, will find your success this year. A lot of you guys will be moving also by the end of the year. Some of you guys could also be choosing a new home to live in or getting stable. So I'm getting around November-ish, to be honest. So that's really good news. A lot of you guys will be also meeting your twin flame or getting married. So that's another good news around November. So yeah, a lot of good changes are coming your way for a lot of you guys. A lot of huge changes. Keep going on the track of self-seeking and change, embracing change. But yeah, with that being said, be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.